Welcome to this last section of installing Acronis Access Advanced 7.2. In this module, we will explain the gateway server, the access server, and the file repository setup. With the wizard, we will enter the licensing information, the general setting information, the SMTP, the LDAP configuration, the local gateway server information, and the file repository. Your first step is to set the administrator password which will be used for the Acronis Management Console. Then enter the licensing information. Fill all fields and select Continue. Now we will configure the server settings. Change the web address for the Acronis Access Server. Enter the mobile client enrollment address with your gateway server. And click Save. Enter the SMTP information. You may need to uncheck Use Secure Connection. Your server may require authentication. Test with an internal email address first and then make sure you can also send to an external one. Without proper SMTP setup, Acronis Access cannot send invite to users. Verify if you receive the Acronis Access email before setting LDAP. Then select Enable LDAP. Enter the LDAP server address, the LDAP username, password. Enter the LDAP search base with your company and name. Note that domain for authentication should include any domain names that are used for employees in Active Directory. For example, your LDAP domain may mycompany.corp or mycompany.local. But if employees have email addresses like mycompany.com or mycompany.co.uk, those are the domains needed in domains for LDAP authentication. Now, you need to configure the local gateway server. If needed, change parameter for the file repository. And your configuration is now complete.